Guys, I got a necklace and I got these matching earrings. I got this at the auction many years ago, and I just taking picture and video and stuff. So when I take pictures, so that someday when when I'm ready to sell it, when I'm selling it, at least I have all the photos in my album. That's why um I take a picture too. So I have like album, like so that so when selling it, so there's no sign or anything. So we just you know. And I got this display. I just got this at the thrift store for 98 cents. So that's what it look like. So just, and this one has that the glass kind of nice, but the back has like a chubby thing. It's like, yeah, it's like orange and yellow stone, and so it's about like almost 18.5 inches long. So there's like it's gonna have a greenish yellow and orange. So na. So it come in this this is from the auction. There's a number in the auction, and it come with this golden box. Just wait, I got this box that this is the one in it come with this when I win in the auction, because back then I always go to the auction, but so anyway, yeah, so next week is gonna be what you call this, I always go auction with my son, but he passed away. Next week is gonna be 5 years. My son passed away before his 18th birthday, and he's gonna like his birthday this year gonna be 20. I don't know if he's gonna be 20. Just wait. In 18. Oh no. Yeah, gonna be 5 years next week, and he always go with me in the auction too and stuff, but and life turns out, not the way you God have a different plan for your life and stuff. So I supposed to be, I'm selling a lot of, auction like jewelry and stuff, but when my son died, I don't have energy, and I'm so, but so I pray to God every day, and you know like I still have a hard time sleeping at night, but um you know so now I'm just trying my best that, even though he passed away and stuff, I still gonna want, I want him to be proud of me that I did not give up in my life, and he's the only child I have and stuff, and the one I gave birth on and stuff. But anyway, and I miss him so much. So now I'm gonna start taking video and photos in my for sale items that, I did not do many years ago, because of when your loved one died and stuff, and then my dad died, my uncle died, and I cannot visit them over there at the funeral, and I don't have like money to send them back then either until now, I have stuff for sale item, but I don't have like cash money and stuff that. So I just gonna share in YouTube, so that at least someday, so just try not to give up, like life is, I have this thing to sell, but sometimes you don't sell right away, or I did not really post yet either. So that's okay. I just sharing in here. I know, just share, but I just next week is his fifth year in heaven, and I just wanna share that, you know, as a mother and stuff. We sometimes it's hard to function. You know, you have a broken heart, and um you just your energy and stuff, but you just pray to God, and God, you know, it's me 5 years now, but you know, it's a lot of different now. You know, you know, I don't cry as much. You know, like, just trying each day, every day we can live. So but anyway, what the heck I'm talking about. Okay, I just wanna share. I don't there's no I think this is just a costume jewelry. It's not really like the expensive one. So there's no like sign, I think. I don't think it's a sterling either. I'm not sure. But anyway, look like everything is in here. I don't think it's missing stone or anything. But anyway, see you later. I'm gonna bid you more stuff. It's sunny outside, guys. See? I just closed the curtain because so it get really bright in here. Okay, see you later.